Hello and welcome to the Wizard Mockup Pro software. My name is Zachary, creator and founder. Today I wanted to dive in with you guys and go over the Magic Resizer.
Alright guys, we're going to jump right in and show you guys how to use the software here. First thing that you are going to want to do is pull up your Creative Cloud, and you're going to want to pull up the Photoshop. Once you get into Photoshop, you can start using the software. These are plugins that are specifically used with Photoshop, so you will have to be in there. Once you do pull up Photoshop, you will be able to get in there, and you go to your plugin section up here. Go to what option you want. For this tutorial, we'll do the Magic Resizer. We'll pull that plugin up. Once that plugin gets pulled up, you will see that it's very user-friendly. It's basically a click, 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 then you're done. At the top, if you do want to select languages, all plugins are built in the same way to change language. If you do want to change language, you go right up to this icon and you'll click on languages. If you want it in English, Spanish, German, French, Italian, all plugins are capable to do all of these languages and support them. If you did want, for example, to put Spanish, we'll hit Spanish and the plugin will change to Spanish. For the sake of this video, we will end up going to English. And I'll show you guys how to use this here. So we'll start off with option 1. You're going to want to select an image or a folder. We'll select an image here. I'm just going to select any image for the time being, just to get an image of an artwork in here that we can resize. This is a beautiful photo from Arizona that I captured. We'll use this photo for example. Once we got the image selected, the next option would be custom size. You can choose this option if you do want to input your own custom size. If you want to put in a 8:10 photo for that ratio, then you would just add that size. If you did want, you also can do the capabilities in centimeters, depending on where you are in the world, if you use centimeters for your metric system. But that is an option if you do want to add your own size in. Now, I do have this software preset with a bunch of different sizes that are your common ratios, 8:10s, 11:14, 16:20, etc. All of these sizes will be preset already in there. So this image that we have imported will preset all these sizes that we will export, and we'll choose the export folder next where we want this output folder to go. I did go ahead and create a folder before this video for testing sake. We'll go into my testing folder and we'll put this in the Magic Resizer folder so that you can see what happens with the Resizer plugin. And on the next option, you can choose export options. If you choose, the user can change the resolution or the quality that they desire. It automatically will export in the highest quality possible, but if you do want to change that for any reason, you can change to your custom settings for your export options. This plugin also is capable of processing a polytick at the same time. So for example, if you wanted to choose a diptych, triptych, quad triptych, pentapic, any of these will be available in the software to go all out at the same time. Since you are making print files, you can also do the print files ready for a 2-panel, 3-panel, 4-panel, or a 5-panel split, whether it be canvas, acrylic, metal, doesn't matter. Any of those splits are capable. If you don't want to, then you don't have to worry about selecting that option. For the sake of this video, I will select one so you can see what this is capable of doing. So we'll do a 3-panel, which is the most common that I do sell. Other people might do a 2-panel. That's the 3. That's your 4. And this is your 5. Now, again, I'll do the 3-panel since it is what I'm most commonly selling. And after that, it's as simple as just hitting Start the Magic. Now, I am going to start a stopwatch on this video just so you can see how quick that this software actually truly works. So I'll start this and let it do its work. And right now it is exporting all of these images in the ratios we have preset, and the process is completed. It took a little less than 22 seconds to complete all of that process. We'll open our folder now so you can see what exactly it had done. Let's go into our test folder, into the Resizer folder, and there is all your images that we just exported. So these are all the ratios that are different, and as well as your 3-panel that I had selected to choose for my 3-panel. It'll put it in its own folder so that your print file is ready specifically for your 3-panel, so that when you pull these up, your 1-panel, 2-panel, and 3-panel are all ready for you to put together in your print lab, or if you print these yourself. If you do, kudos to you. That's amazing. I do use printing resources to have companies print my prints, but either way, you have all of your folders ready and good to go. That is the Magic Resizer. Again, you've seen just how truly easy it was to use this. It's very user-friendly, very fast, and that will conclude the video for this plugin. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to help share any insight or information with you. Thank you.